Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own online form. What ChatterCat is it's pretty much like a mix between Discord, Reddit, or some of those classic forums, Black Hat World, even the Bitcoin forum. Kind of merged all the good parts, all the juicy stuff from all those forums and put it into one kind of platform, and that is called ChatterCat. So we're just putting on the finishing touches to this web app, but by the time you see this video, you'll be able to create your own online form at www.chattercat.app. So when you get to this home page here, it's very simple, very easy to create your own form. All you're gonna have to do is go down to this get started for free and enter in an email address. So I'm gonna use my email address here, and I really like basketball. And this is going to be a form about the NBA. So I'm going to use my email address here, and I'm going to click get started. And we're going to go right into the register page. So got to pick a unique username that's unique across the entire ChatterCat platform. So I'm going to try some here. Let's just do this. I'm pretty sure this should work actually. There we go. We're going to choose an original password, make sure they match, and click register. And here we go. It's going to take us to the next page where we're going to set up our community. So the first thing we need to do is we need to choose a community name. So, or in this case, it's your form name. So what do I want to call this? I want to call this NBA fans. So I want this form to be discussing the latest kind of NBA news, trades, games, all that type of fun stuff. So after I create a community name, we are going to auto-generate a link for your form. And what we did here is it's NBA-fan. So when you send this to your friends, if you post this link online, people can go to it and start participating in your form. This can be changed later through the settings portal, but for now that looks good to me. So now last thing we got to do is create a community description, and I want it to say discussing the latest news on the NBA. So now when people come to the main homepage of the form, they'll be able to see exactly what this form is about. And here is an option to make it a private or public form. I want this to be public, so I'm going to leave this blank. I want a lot of people to join. I want a lot of members. Maybe later on I'm going to make it private and only allow select people in. But for now, we're going to keep this public. So that's it on the start. It's just a basic setup. You can change all the other stuff once we get inside. But yeah, just click create community. And we're going to create it in the back end here. We're going to create your unique link. And there we go. This is your new unique link. So you'll be able to customize the colors, turn on or off the banner, change your description, create new posts, comment on posts, view other community members, view leaderboards, charge people to access your form. That's all up to you. So we'll be diving deeper into this web app in future videos, but for now, just want to say thanks for watching, and yeah, be sure to reach out if you have any questions. Thanks.